Oh, yeah.
The home stretch. The final part of a long and challenging task or process, when success is almost within reach. I can see the finish line. Meaning means the final stage of something, when you are very close to completing a difficult or lengthy task. Examples. The project is in the home stretch. We just need to finish the report. After months of training, the marathon is in the home stretch. We've done the hard part, now we're in the home stretch. The school year is in the home stretch with only a few weeks left. Conversation example. How's the research going? It was tough at first, but we've collected all the data. That's great. Yeah, now we're just writing the final part. We're in the home stretch. Almost there, you've got this. Origin. The phrase comes from horse racing. The home stretch is the final part of the race when the horses turn for home and end toward the finish line. It has been used in English since the late 1800s, and now refers to the final stage of any task or process. Modern use. We use it in everyday life when we are near the end of a long task, project, event, or goal, and just need to finish the last part to succeed. Relative expressions. Similar. In the final stretch. In the last lap. Near the finish line. The final push. Almost there. Opposite. Just getting started. A long way to go. At the beginning. Miles to go. Back at square one. When to use it. When you are near the end of a task or project. When the hardest part is almost over. When only a few steps remain. When you want to encourage someone to keep going. When the finish line is close. Extra example. The construction of the new building took years. Now the paint is done, the furniture is in place, and the final inspection is next week. The contractor said they're in the home stretch, and everything should be ready soon. Key takeaway. The home stretch is the final part of the journey. The finish line is close, so stay focused and finish strong. Remember, you're almost there. Don't give up now, stay focused. Finish strong. Success is just ahead. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.